Today we will see how to use a new feature in TDox, custom tables. Remember, everything we're about to see is only available on PC, as the web app on smartphone and tablets has reduced the functionalities. With TDox, you can create as many custom tables as you want. Let's start by creating one from the menu on the top left corner. Then click on Custom Tables and plus. Choose a code description and if you want to enable the table. Confirm. At this point, we can proceed by adding new rows clicking on the button. We can write under each column all the details, and once we are done, we have to click on the floppy disk to save. Add new rows. On the left side of the row, you have the delete option to delete the row and the historic option to check the history. If you want to edit the content of the row, just click on it and change it. Remember then to save it. You can add new columns by clicking on Actions, Append column, and then choose which data you want to add. Once you're done creating your custom table, remember to associate it to users. Click on Action, Associations to choose some users, Associate All to associate it to everyone in our environment. We are now ready to add this custom table in one of our forms, so that during the compilation of this form, we can do a research inside the custom table and choose one of the options. The research from smartphone and tablet can be done manually or with the barcode. This is useful if we have a QR code, for example. Let's go on Menu, Forms. Select a form you prefer, for example, Progress Report. Create a new revision and go in the first step. Choose from the Footbar Custom Table selector. Click on the pencil to select the custom table you want to associate to this form, for example, Code, the one we just created. The more experts can select Formula under Custom Table, Filter, and write JavaScript code to filter even more what you are looking for. For each field of this table, we have to choose which ones we want it to be visible and searchable, visible or hidden to the user. Click on Visible and Searchable if you want these fields to be researchable manually or by barcode on smartphone and tablet during the compilation. Click on Visible if you want these fields to be automatically saved in the form. Click on Hidden if you don't want this field to be shown in the form. Let's select Visible for the fields we chose before in our custom table. In our example, we had Code, Text 1, Numeric 1. Let's put all the others on Invisible. The Code visible and researchable, and Text 1 and Numeric 1 visible. Let's save and go to PDF Designer. If you click on the phone icon at the bottom left, you can find in the list Custom Table. Click on it so we can add this new element in our PDF. Let's save and close. Send to app. From smartphone, we will be able to choose the custom table by writing the first digit of the code or by scanning a QR code. Choose after the option you want so that TDox can fill in all the infos contained in that specific custom table. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com or leave a comment.